Hey guys, and welcome back to this new video. Today we are diving into one of the craziest underwater experiences in the Philippines, the Moalbao Sardine Run. Millions of fish right next to the shore. Let's jump in. Good morning guys, it is another day and today we are going to snorkel and swim a lot. Hopefully we are going to see a lot of sardines. Good morning! Good morning! The water is a lot lower than yesterday. A lot of people are already swimming and as you can see it's just a few meters off the beach, so we don't need a guide to swim there. And we are at the same place as yesterday night because we are hungry, so we are gonna grab some breakfast there. Breakfast is served. The water is actually pretty cold. I thought it was really hot, but it's very cold. It is time to go alone this time, and I'm not going to all the tourists. Guy over here, he caught a swordfish. What the hell? It's huge. Crazy man. Just flexing with it. No, it's dead. He's dead. Dead. There are so many people right now. It is 10 a.m. in the morning and it's really crowded. But what is a bad thing is that they built everything full here. So you can't easily access the beach only around this area, which is really annoying though. We were chilling in the room for almost 1 hour or something. Took a quick shower because we were really hot. We are going to walk back to the little village right now because we are very hungry. So we're gonna grab some lunch. Unfortunately, we have to walk. Same route again. I got a nice banana shake and this lovely food with a beautiful view. The food was really good. It is around 32 degrees Celsius right now. And we are just walking by the beach to the smaller village. It's time for some frozen yogurt. And Fleur is eating it before me. She didn't want ice cream. This is my girlfriend doesn't want any. The ice cream was really good. We bought something in the store for tomorrow. We're hungry, so we're going out for dinner right now. But we're not walking too far because I'm tired. This coffee shake for me.
Vol in de Hoe ga ik dit doen?
Oh, Fleur.
Het is echt een modder.
What did you do?
Ja, omdat het
You gotta clean it in the shower.
Ja.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to this channel because tomorrow we will go to an epic hotel right next to the beach and we will do so many cool things.